Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are already a current subscriber. My name is Ariana, aka Vinyl Glitz, and I have decided to start incorporating crafting vlogs on my channel. And today I have about 23 birthday shirts to make. I have an order for a kids party, so I'm just going to show you the whole process of me creating all of these shirts. And I hope you all enjoy this type of content, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe, and don't forget to like this video and also share in the comments what you would like to see next. Okay guys, so I have already did some of the kids shirts. I still have about 2 more to do, but I'm waiting for the shirts to come in. I had to order some more shirts, and this is just the design. All of the shirts will have the same design, except it will change. I will change the all of the shirts will have the same design, except for the word will be swapped out for whatever relationship they are to the birthday boy. And his shirt is like this, so all of their shirts play off of his design, and I designed this in Adobe Illustrator. And as you can see, I'm using the larger mat to get more shirts done at once, and right now I'm working on the adult shirts. I have already cut some of the words, I just have not yet weeded them. You can't really tell what it says, but they basically say the same thing, it's just have the words swapped out. And here are the Mickey heads, and I still have to do the red part, like this part of it. So yeah. Now I'm going to do the red. Now I'm just going to weed out these words. so I had to check my email. And most of you probably don't know, but I am in college. I am in my senior year, and our professor is emailing me, so I'm going to finish up the shirt, and then I'm going to do some schoolwork. And if you are wondering, I am in my senior year, and I am a marketing major. So in May of next year, I will be graduating with a degree in marketing. Alright guys, here are all the shirts. There are 23. Well, there's supposed to be 23 in the order, but I accidentally made another shirt that says Uncle, so I have 24 shirts, but here they are. I think that they turned out really nice. I really love them, and I just hope that the customers love them as well. And I hope you all enjoyed this video on how I completed my orders, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this in the future. And if you would like to see any other type of videos or vlogs, just let me know. Leave it down in the comment section, and I will see you on my next upload. Bye.